Welcome to the demo of the new reviewer management platform for the WMDA. When we set out to build this application, our primary motivation was to create a frictionless experience for both the reviewers handling audits and the administrators managing them. Because our users are constantly on the move, we designed the entire platform to be highly responsive, whether you're viewing a dense data table on a desktop monitor or checking your schedule on a mobile phone, where data cleanly transforms into readable, touch-friendly cards. The experience is seamless. Let's start with the reviewer's perspective. The motivation here was empowerment and clarity. Reviewers need to know exactly where they stand without having to ask. Right from their dashboard, they have immediate access to their personalized progression. The level breakdown tab shows exactly where they are on the reviewer timeline and lists the specific requirements needed to reach their next tier, like receiving positive audit evaluations. Next, the Audits tab gives them a comprehensive view of their past and future accreditations. They can easily search these audits using advanced date sliders to filter their view and export their data with a single click. Finally, we integrated a dedicated availability view. Reviewers can effortlessly manage their schedules by blocking out specific days for holidays or setting and repeating unavailable periods. This ensures they are only tapped for audits when they are truly free, respecting their time and eliminating scheduling friction. Now let's look at the admin tools. For administrators, the biggest headache is often coordinating people without creating double bookings. We solved this with the reviewers directory. Here, admins have a bird's eye view of all personnel. Using intuitive, chip-based filtering, an admin can instantly filter reviewers based on their real-time availability. If you're scheduling a new event, the system ensures you don't accidentally overlap with the reviewer's blocked out dates. Managing the events themselves is just as easy. The Events Overview provides a high-level look at all accreditations, and with a single click, admins can drill down into subtables to see the exact list of reviewers attending that specific item. Whether an admin needs to coordinate a complex event, or a reviewer needs to track their career progression and block out a vacation, the tools are right at their fingertips. By combining intelligent availability tracking with a deeply responsive, user-first design, this platform doesn't just manage data. It actively makes the accreditation and scheduling process smoother for everyone involved. Thank you for watching.